Discover Samsung TV Plus, Samsung's free streaming service. Mesmerizing movies, fantastic shows, unmissable moments. There's no need to phone a friend. Accessing Samsung TV Plus is simple. You can do it from your launcher or from Media Home. No downloads, no installation, no subscription fee. It's all super simple. Just browse and choose your program. Click on the left arrow to explore all the options on the side menu. And on the main page, you'll find specifically curated content and countless program highlights. Click on Live and browse the program guide with over 200 channels. You can favorite your most liked channel by clicking the star. If you missed your favorite show and it's available on demand, just click the channel section and you can watch from the start or binge the series. We have a handy search function to look up channels, films, or shows. If you're looking for a film, this section's for you, with thousands of movies live and on demand. And to keep the kids happy, head to the kids section, where you'll find all-time favorites like Beyblade, Shaun the Sheep, and Yu-Gi-Oh! Sound good? So kick back, rock out, laugh out loud, all for free.
What else do you want?
Samsung TV Plus. Stream entertainment for every day.